Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. So we will discuss about UPSC. What is UPSC? Is UPSC toughest exam in India? What is the full form of UPSC? Who conducted this exam? Etc. etc. So let's start. UPSC is a civil service exam. It is a nationwide competitive examination conducted by the Union Public Service Commission for the requirement to the highest civil services of Government of India, including IAS, IPS, IFS, etc. When this exam started, is this toughest exam? This exam has started in the year 1922, so 99 years ago. In next year it will be like 100 years, it will complete century. What is the full form of UPSC? The full form of UPSC is Union Public Service Commission. Is UPSC toughest exam in India? Yes, obviously it is the toughest examination in India with very vast syllabus. Let's know something more about UPSC. So UPSC is conducted in 3 phases. First, preliminary examination, also called prelims. It consists 2 objective type paper, GS1 and GS2, General Studies 1 and 2. GS paper is popularly known as aptitude test or CSAT exam. Second phase is mains, which is essay type paper. And third phase is personality test, which is also called personal interview. On an average, every year 9 lakh to 10 lakh candidates sits in exam. So what is the eligibility for this exam? For the post IAS, FAS and IPS, the candidate must be a citizen of India. For other services, the candidate can be a citizen of India, Nepal or Bhutan. A candidate of Tibetan refugee who settled permanently in India before 1st January 1962, and candidate must be graduate in any field. Next, a person of Indian origin who has migrated from Pakistan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, Zaire, Ethiopia or Vietnam with the intention of permanently settling in India. What must be the age of candidates for sitting in this exam? For general category candidates, a candidate must be the age of 21 years but not above than the 32 years. For OBC, the age limit is 35 years. For SC and ST, the age limit is 37 years. For defense service person who disabled in operation during hostilities, the age limit is 40 years. For PWD candidates, the limit is 37 years. So how many attempts can we give or an candidate can appear for the exam? So general category candidates can give 6 times attempts. For OBC category candidates can give 9 time attempts. For SC and ST, there are unlimited attempts till the age of 37 years. So what type of skill tested or you required for UPSC? You must be good at writing, listening, you must be good at English, general knowledge, and you must be patriotic, you must be principle of utilization, you can handle the responsibility, you must be doing hard work and commitment, etc. What actually UPSC expects from candidates? Mental alertness, critical power of assimilation, balance of judgment, variety and depth of interest, social ability and leadership, etc. What is the purpose of conducting UPSC exam? UPSC recruit candidates into top government service like IAS, IPS, IFS, etc. UPSC requires candidates to both civil services as well as defense services. So what is the time duration for writing this exam? 2 hours for prelims exam and 3 hours for mains exam. So hey, how's the video? Just say me in the comment, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.